Hi, I'm going to continue solving practice question about time. So, how much time passes between this is PM and PM on the same day? So, let us change it into 24 hour. So, 2 o'clock is 14:25. And this means we can make it 1 is 13, 2 is 14, until 8, 3 is 15, so we can make it 6 is 18, 7 is 19, and 8 is 20. So until 20, you write it here 20 or 12. Make it into hour first, 15 o'clock. So there are how many minutes from 14:25 until 15 o'clock? So there are 35 minutes. So 15 until 20 o'clock only. So there are 5 hours here. And here is 12 minutes. So 5 hours and 35. Here 35 plus 12. So 35 plus 12 is 47 minutes. So 5 hours and 47 minutes. Here the same day, AM. Okay, so there it is. So we'll keep it 01, 43 until, if this is PM. Okay, still. So 12, 09. Make it into hour only, 02 o'clock. So how many minutes are there? So there are 70 minutes. 2 until 12 o'clock. There are 10 hours. This is 9 minutes. So here is 10 hours and 17. We plus by 9. So 10 hours and 26 minutes. This is the next day. Okay. 6 p.m. This means 18. So we write 18:32. Next day is 6:45. So here let us make it into hours, which is 19 o'clock. So how many minutes are there? So there are 27 minutes. Because this is the next day, let us make it until 00 first, 12 o'clock, midnight. So 19 to 0 o'clock there are 5 hours. And this until 6 hours. And the last is 45 minutes. We addition, this is 11 hours. And how many minutes? 27 plus 45. There are 72 minutes. Let us change it into hours. So 11 hours. Here 1 hour plus. So 72. We can minus it by 60. So 12 minutes. So this is 12 hours and 12 minutes. The same day. Okay, from 1 a.m. So 01, 09 to 15, 39. Make it until o'clock only. So this 2. 2 is 15. And there it is. So 1:09 to 2 o'clock there are 51 minutes. And then 2 to 15 there are 13 hours. And here 39 minutes. So 51 minutes plus by 39 is 90 minutes. So this is 30 hours. And then 1 hour plus 30 minutes. So the time passed is 14 hours and 30 minutes. Okay, next, number 5. Use this section from a bus timetable to answer the question that follow. What time does the earliest bus leave from the North Street? Here, the North Street. The earliest is 9 o'clock. Here, this is the earliest. How long does the journey from the North Street to the West Land take? Okay, from here to the West Land. So let us count from 9 o'clock to 9:18. Okay, 1 hour. Whether 9 to 10. So this is 1 hour. The bus 9:30 bus is delayed 17 minutes on its way to the South Avenue. What time it will arrive if delayed 17 minutes? So it was to be meant 09:48. Here 09:48. We plus by 17 minutes. So this will be 10:05. Next, Sanchez misses the 09:48 bus from the South Avenue. How long will he have to wait before the next scheduled bus arrive? Okay, here until here. So 9:48 to 10 o'clock first is 12 minutes, and then 10 to 10:18 is 18 minutes. So 12 plus 18 is 30 minutes. So Sanchez need to wait for 30 minutes. E. The 10 o'clock bus from North Street is delayed in road works between South Avenue and East Place for 90 minutes. Give the estimate arrival times for the rest of the timetable. So it will be, here let me write. So it would arrive late at here East Place at 10:54 and Westland at 11:09. So this we plus by 90 minutes plus by 90 minutes. Last question. Kenya set the world record for a marathon in Berlin 2018. If the timing clock show 5 hours, 48 minutes, and 22 seconds at the race, and as he finished, what was his record winning time? So we can just minus it here, 7, 15 minutes, 11 seconds. Then here we got 5, 48 to 22. Okay, 11 seconds. So we just find the difference with minus. So we can take it from here. So this is 45 minutes and this is 60. So we got 60 plus by 11 is 71. So this is 71 seconds. We minus by 22. So 49 seconds. 1 minute. And this is 2 hours. So this is 2 hours, 1 minute, and so it is 39 seconds. Okay, there it is. Thank you.